Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Google Pixel 10 Pro XL with a broken display, and David will fix it for us. You can see he's ready. Let's go. So we're gonna remove this display. You can see there's through the reflection of the glass, you can see there's a crack from the corner. So this devices must have been dropped from that corner, and the cracks are going across the display in a diagonal fashion. So we'll use some alcohol to drip some on the gap so we can soften the adhesive and make sure we do this safely, because if you're gonna try to force the glass out, it can scratch the housing. It's aluminum, and of course it's gonna fling some shards of glass if you're not careful. So we're doing this slowly. We'll just fast forwarding a bit on some parts of this removal process. So we're using some syringe just to target those gaps, and using our pry tool to open up those gaps and maintain them. Make sure they're not closing back in again. You're gonna slice through the adhesive, slowly going through it. There you go. So just like other Google Pixel smartphones before this generation, you remove the display and replace it. So that's the most straightforward repair ever since. This is how Google does it, and I think this is how it should be done for all smartphones. But the only problem we have with this model of Google Pixel is that the connector is located behind the display itself. So you can see here, you remove it, you can't really access it in a nice way. You're going it from an angle. So we can show you how we remove the retaining clip and remove the connector. So we have a retaining clip. The retaining clip usually is found on the housing itself. Now the connector is located behind the display. So it's a bit different, and it's kind of fiddly to attach and remove. You can see here, it's a quick process if you get used to it, but I don't really see how different this is and how easier it is to the tried and tested method. So you can see the replacement display is all good, no problems. You don't have to remove the fingerprint scanner on this one, I guess. There you go. That's David. He's quite happy. This repair is going a lot faster than I expected. Maybe that's how pros do it. It's faster if the pros do it. If you DIY this repair, maybe you can get a better result, or maybe you won't. So we're gonna adhere the new display now to the housing with our liquid adhesive. Of course, this is not going to be waterproof, not guaranteed to be waterproof, just enough so we can install a new display and securely up until you decide to have it fixed again. And hopefully this smartphone lives a long and peaceful life. Hopefully no more urgent repairs needed, just like this screen replacement. And now we're gonna attach and install the display with the retaining clip. And this is what I call fiddly. We can't really show you because the camera is overhead. It's we have to tilt it at an angle. But yeah, David will have to get used to this. It used to be easier, believe me. There you go, retaining clip. Are you in? Yeah. It's not gonna play ball nicely. I'll try another trick. Mind you, the adhesive is already on the housing, so it might dry up if we're not quick enough. So let's check if the tweezers. So if you want the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL screen replacement, don't hesitate to message David or visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also do mail-in repair service for our clients outside of Australia, and we fix what you sent to us and we'll send it back to your address once we're done with the repair, just like this one. So yeah, we're almost done. We're just prepping, and hopefully we can cut this tape in, and here you go. And finally we are done. So thanks for joining, guys. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on YouTube. We release new videos, foldable smartphones. If you're interested in smartphone repairs, you want some tips and tricks, real life repair videos, this is your channel. So this is the before and after. Yeah, that's the crack display. Not really noticeable, not too dramatic, but it's there. So we're gonna clean this up and put tempered glass. This is gonna be a freebie for the customer, just to keep the new displays safe if in case they drop it again. There you go. Highly recommend a tempered glass. Whatever smartphone you have, if you can attach a tempered glass to it, go for it. And boom, done. Thanks for joining, guys. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.